Redeemed Christian Church of God (RCCG) has suspended one of its pastors, Pastor Ayorinde Adebelu and Deacon Mayowa, from office over allegations of homosexuality against young people in the church. The church has also directed the Special Assistant to the General Overseer of Administration to investigate the allegation thoroughly within 2 weeks. In an internal memo dated 28th of October 2024 titled Investigation and Suspension Regarding Allegations of Homosexuality, addressed to Special Assistant to the General Overseer on Administration and signed by RCCG National Overseer Pastor Sunday Akande, this memo states, "This is to inform you of serious allegation of homosexuality against Pastor Ayorinde Adebelu and Deacon Mayowa. In accordance with our mission's commitment to upholding the teaching of the Bible, we must address this allegation with the utmost seriousness it deserves. The doctrine of Redeemed Christian Church of God (RCCG) does not allow or tolerate any act of homosexuality. This stance is firmly rooted in the biblical teachings, including but not limited to Leviticus 18 verse 22. You shall not lie with a man as with a woman, it is an abomination." In the light of these allegations, Pastor Ayorinde Adebelu, Deacon Mayowa, and all others are alleged to be temporarily relieved from all their responsibilities in all missions organs, pending the outcome of the investigation, which is expected to be concluded within 2 weeks. The church says they must handle this situation with care and integrity, and in accordance with church values, ensuring that the investigation will be conducted confidentially and with respect for all parties involved. We'll pay close attention to this story for details regarding the investigation outcome. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.